Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting diode mode on the multimeter because it shows junction drops directly. Once done, remove the transistor from the circuit and discharge nearby capacitors to avoid misleading readings. You probe between base to emitter and base to collector. You're looking for forward diode drops near expected silicon values. Make sure to record which probe gave which reading, since those first drops reveal which lead is the base. This step sets the foundation for the rest of the identity. Next, you swap the meter polarity and test each pair both ways, because the asymmetry tells you emitter versus collector. Once you have forward drops, compare base to collector and base to emitter. The emitter usually shows a slightly higher forward voltage in silicon BJTs, so that helps pinpoint emitter. Make sure to retest if values are close. Subtle differences matter. If your meter has a transistor test socket, use it to verify pin order and gain, but don't skip manual checks for accuracy. Finally, you validate by rechecking each lead one more time and then reinstalling the transistor, ensuring orientation matches your identified emitter, base, and collector. Make sure to confirm expected behavior under low-power test conditions. This prevents damage. If results are inconsistent, suspect a damaged junction or a weak meter battery. Replace the battery and retest. Also note, MOSFET don't follow the diode method, so switch to resistance and gate threshold checks when dealing with FETs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.